Most people believe poverty begins with an empty bank account. It doesn't, it begins inside the mind. Long before someone struggles financially, they begin making invisible decisions that slowly shape their future. The frightening part: most people never notice these habits. They repeat them every single day. Then one day they wake up, wondering why nothing has changed. Money is rarely the first problem. Mindset comes first. Habits come second. Money comes last. Today, you'll discover 7 habits that quietly keep millions of people poor, without them even realizing it. If you recognize even one of these habits in yourself, don't feel discouraged, because every habit can be replaced, and every new habit creates a different future. Let's begin. The first habit is waiting. Most people spend years waiting for motivation, waiting for more money, waiting for the perfect opportunity, waiting until they feel ready. But here's the truth: life never rewards waiting. The people who change their lives start before they feel prepared. They understand something most people ignore. Action creates confidence. Confidence doesn't create action. The longer you wait, the more fear grows. And fear becomes comfortable. Eventually, doing nothing feels normal. Think about it. How many dreams disappear? Not because they were impossible, but because someone kept saying, "I'll start tomorrow." Tomorrow becomes next week. Next week becomes next year. Years pass. Nothing changes. Successful people are not fearless. They simply refuse to let fear make their decisions. That single difference changes everything. Now let's look at the second habit: consuming instead of creating. Every day, millions of people spend hours watching videos, scrolling endlessly, reading comments, following other people's success. But they create almost nothing themselves. They never write, they never build, they never learn a skill deeply enough to produce value. Consumption feels productive, but it often creates the illusion of progress. Real growth begins the moment you create something that solves a problem. Because the market doesn't reward consumers, it rewards creators. Every valuable skill starts with creation. Writing, selling, designing, coding, teaching, building, creating. The more value you create, the more opportunities begin finding you. That is why creation always beats consumption. The third habit is avoiding discomfort. Your brain naturally looks for comfort. Comfort feels safe. Comfort feels familiar. But comfort rarely creates growth. Think about every skill that can increase your income: public speaking, sales, negotiation, leadership, content creation, building a business, learning artificial intelligence. None of them feel comfortable in the beginning. Every valuable skill demands that you become a beginner again. That is why most people quit. Not because they aren't intelligent, not because they lack talent, but because they mistake discomfort for failure. Successful people understand something different. Discomfort is often proof that you are growing. The conversation you are afraid to have, the project you keep postponing, the course you haven't started. Those uncomfortable moments may be the exact door leading to your next level. Every time you choose comfort over growth, you pay an invisible price. Months later, years later, that price becomes visible in your income. The fourth habit is spending more time entertaining yourself than educating yourself. Entertainment isn't the enemy. Everyone needs to rest. But problems begin when entertainment becomes a lifestyle. Imagine spending 2 hours every day learning a valuable skill. Now imagine doing that for 1 year. You would accumulate hundreds of hours of deliberate practice. That amount of focused learning can completely transform your opportunities. The internet gives everyone access to world-class knowledge. Yet most people use it only for distraction. The same phone that can teach you a high-income skill can also steal thousands of hours from your future. Technology isn't the problem. The way we use it is. Every hour you invest in learning is an investment your future self will thank you for. Knowledge alone doesn't create wealth. Applied knowledge does. Learning without action changes nothing. Action turns information into income. The fifth habit is believing that hard work alone creates wealth. Hard work is important, but hard work without direction often leads to frustration. Millions of people work harder every single year, yet their financial situation barely changes. Why? Because they keep increasing effort without increasing value. The market rewards value, not exhaustion. Imagine two people working 10 hours a day. The first spends those hours repeating the same low-value tasks. The second spends part of those hours learning, improving, and solving bigger problems. After a few years, their lives look completely different. Not because one worked harder, because one became more valuable. Never confuse being busy with becoming valuable. Ask yourself every week, what skill am I improving? What problem am I learning to solve? Those two questions can change the direction of your financial future. The sixth habit is surrounding yourself with people who discourage growth. Your environment quietly shapes your expectations. If everyone around you complains, you begin believing. Complaining is normal. If everyone avoids learning, you stop feeling the need to improve. If everyone believes success is impossible, that belief slowly becomes yours. Be careful. Negativity spreads faster than ambition. You don't need rich friends. You don't need famous mentors. But you do need voices that challenge you to think bigger. Read books. Listen to people who have built something meaningful. Follow creators who teach practical skills instead of endless drama. Protect your mind, because what enters your mind eventually influences your decisions, and your decisions shape your future. The seventh habit is believing that someone is coming to change your life. Many people spend years waiting for the government, waiting for the economy, waiting for the perfect boss, waiting for a lucky opportunity, waiting for someone to finally recognize their potential. But the truth is simple. Nobody is coming. The responsibility is yours, and that should not discourage you. It should empower you. Because if someone else controlled your future, you would have no power to change it. The moment you accept full responsibility, everything begins to change. You stop making excuses. You stop blaming your past. You stop comparing yourself with everyone else. Instead, you begin asking better questions. What can I learn today? What problem can I solve? What habit can I improve? What skill can I master this year? Those questions create better decisions. Better decisions create better habits. Better habits create better opportunities. And opportunities create wealth. Never forget this. Money follows value. Value follows skills. Skills follow discipline. And discipline begins with a decision. Not tomorrow. Today. Imagine where your life could be 1 year from now if you dedicated just one focused hour every single day to learning something valuable. 1 hour every day. No excuses, no distractions. 365 hours. Enough time to completely transform your knowledge. Enough time to become someone companies want to hire. Enough time to build a business. Enough time to create an additional source of income. Enough time to completely change your future. Success is rarely one giant decision. It is thousands of small decisions, made consistently, day after day, week after week, month after month. That is how wealth is built, quietly, patiently, intentionally. If you remember only one thing from this video, remember this: your future income is being built by the choices you make today, not next month, not next year. Today, every skill you learn, every book you finish, every distraction you avoid, every problem you solve is another brick in the foundation of your future wealth. No one can build it for you, but no one can stop you from building it either. The 7 habits you've learned today are not permanent. They are choices, and every choice can be replaced. Start with one, master it, then move to the next. Small improvements create extraordinary results over time. The person you become will always be more valuable than the money you earn, because once you become valuable, you can create wealth again and again and again. Thank you for spending these moments investing in yourself. If you found value in this lesson, subscribe for more practical videos about mindset, high-income skills, and building lasting wealth. This is Wealth Mind, where better thinking creates a better future.